everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia and today I'm back with another new recipe. So come, let's get started quickly with the recipe.
Onions, and a little bit of garlic, some dalda, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic. Let's get started by chopping the onions. Chop the green chilies roughly. As you can see, I have this chopper, so that's the reason it makes things more easy for me. I have cut everything roughly, and now I will cut everything very well in this chopper. We'll add the minced chicken. Now we'll add the ginger, garlic and green chilies cut tiny, the onion which we had chopped tiny. We'll give this all a good mix. We'll add ginger garlic paste, the dalda. You can add dalda or butter, anything of your choice. Around 30 grams of dalda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of soybean sauce. Give this all a good mix with your hands. This size cup of maida is around 250 grams. This cup. 1, 2, 3. Around 750 grams of maida. 1 tablespoon of salt.
Knead the maida properly. It shouldn't be very soft nor very hard. It should just be okay, not be stiff.
Some refined oil the candle. Water is boiling on this for 20 minutes.
Friends, I hope you liked this video of mine. I gave a lot of efforts in this video. The recipe has come out very tasty. I request each one of you all to please try it out. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends, for more such videos. Please, please, please. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye.